Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick tutorial on how to share Google Documents with me. All right, and the thing is, even though I'm doing this for a Google Slides presentation, the same type of thing would be useful if you made a Google Doc or Google Sheets. Okay, so this is for the, for example, when you're doing your Pioneers of Science presentation. I've just kind of created, a sample one. Let's pretend that my person was Albert Einstein, all right, who actually is not one of the people, but let's pretend that it is, all right. Notice I've got several slides here. I would have created one for his early life. The first one was like just a title slide. The next one would mention his notable scientific accomplishments, and again, make sure that you put references there. All right, and so let's pretend that I'm done with this. You can notice I've given it a name right here, and this is now the point where you need to get your presentation from your computer to where I can see it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to click this little share button right here. All right, so I'm going to click that share button, and it's going to open up this little tab right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click this get link button right here. And notice what it says there. It says restricted only, only people added can open with this link. All right. So you want to, so if it says restricted, I would change that link to Wake County Public School System. Really, I don't think it's going to matter because the person that opens this is still going to need the link. All right, it's not like we're making it public where someone could search for it. All right, so have it on Wake County Public School System, and notice that it says anyone in this with this link can view. All right, and that's important. Notice that you can change here the permissions from viewer to commenter to editor. All right, and so since when you do this, you say this person can only view it. All right, that means that I can't change the document. All right, the person that opens it can't make a change to it. All right, so and that's what I should be doing. I'm just viewing it and going to be giving you credit for your work. Okay, so Wake County Public School System, anyone with this link can view, make sure that says view, and what I'm going to do is hit copy link. All right, and so that link is now copied to my desktop or to my clipboard, and I'm going to show you how to submit that. Okay, so I just showed you how to make a link to your Google Slides project. Now you're ready to submit it. All right, so go to my Canvas page, and I've got this in student view, so you should be seeing here exactly what you would see when you're trying to submit this. All right, so we're going to go down, and I've created a submission link on day 5. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that right there. And notice that this page is still under construction, but I've created, it says submit a link to your Pioneers of Science project here. All right, so I'm going to click right there. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. I hadn't hit the publish button, so let's try that again. So you're at this page right here, submit a link of your Pioneers of project here. I'm going to click that, and it opens up this, this page right here. All right, so it says, please submit a link of your Pioneers of Science presentation, and I am going to be, the video that I'm making right now is going to be published right here. So it'll walk you through that. All right, so I'm going to click this Submit Assignment button. All right, and notice that when I do that, it brings down a bunch of different options right here. And one of the things that you can do is you can enter a website URL. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click in, I'm going to paste, hit Control V to paste that saved link. All right, and now I'm going to click Submit Assignment. All right, so now that I'm done with that, when I, as a teacher, go and look for your assignment, it should be in that I'll be able to find that. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. And get used to that, because that's going to be the way that you're going to submit a lot of assignments this year. All right. Take care.